Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add another account on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then right here tap at your profile picture and then hit at that gear icon. Then just scroll down all the way to the very bottom where you can easily find this logout option. You can just tap on that, then hit at log out, and then you will be able to add your another account. You can just tap where it says use other account, just tap on that, then right here enter username or email and a password. Once you did that, just hit at log in. In that way you can use multiple accounts at your Snapchat app. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.